catch a breath and dive into the fascinating world of photosynthesis. Have you ever wondered what makes our Earth so uniquely green and vibrant? Well, it is due to this incredible process of photosynthesis. This captivating marvel of nature is the hidden mechanism behind every green leaf you witness. From the verdant rainforests of the Amazon to the sprawling lawns of your local park, photosynthesis is happening everywhere around us. It is a word that might sound complex, but the concept is rather simple and beautiful. It's an ingenious process through which plants soak in the brilliant energy of sunlight, absorb carbon dioxide from the environment, and produce not only their food but also the very oxygen we breathe in order to survive. Yes, photosynthesis is the green engine that keeps our world alive. But let's dive a bit deeper. Photosynthesis is the magical process where plants, using the energy from sunlight, convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose, a simple type of sugar, and oxygen. This is the extraordinary recipe for life on Earth. The oxygen that we inhale, the air that fills our lungs and keeps our hearts beating, is a generous gift from the plant kingdom, produced through photosynthesis. It's the main reason why we can enjoy the sweet taste of life. And it's important to remember, this marvel isn't just limited to the towering trees in the forest. Even your humble indoor plants are diligent oxygen factories, quietly purifying your home. Your houseplants are not mere decorative items, but tireless workers contributing to a healthier environment. They clean the air, absorb harmful substances, increase humidity, and most importantly, produce oxygen. Take, for example, the snake plant, known for its tall, slender leaves that resemble a snake ready to strike. Or the spider plant, with its uniquely patterned leaves that hang down like a spider in its web. And don't forget the humble aloe vera, a plant renowned for its healing properties. These are among the top indoor oxygen producers you can easily have in your home. Having these green companions in your living space does more than just provide fresh oxygen. They also purify the air by absorbing toxins and releasing clean oxygen, substantially improving the air quality in your home. They are our silent partners in creating a healthier living environment. Moreover, these indoor plants bring a dash of greenery to your living spaces, creating a soothing and peaceful atmosphere. They add a feeling of calm, a touch of nature to your urban living spaces. They remind us of our connection to the earth, of the cycle of life, and the beauty of nature. Turning your living space into a green haven doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. All it requires is a little understanding of the plant's needs, a bit of care, and lots of love. So consider bringing more of these green buddies into your home. Not only will they brighten up your space, but they will also help you breathe better, sleep better, and live better. Do you have any of these oxygen-producing champions at home? We would love to learn about your favorite plants and how they are contributing to your living environment. Share your stories, share your companions with us. Remember, every leaf counts. Each leaf is a silent warrior, fighting against pollution and creating life-sustaining oxygen. Each leaf is a testament to the wonder of photosynthesis, the magical process that keeps our world alive. Keep breathing, keep living,